Give me a reading for the sign of Virgo. So all that I need to know about your person and your connection moving forward. Welcome back to the channel. Let's see what's going on with you guys. 3 cards for you. So what's happening with Virgo? Many of you guys have been trying to walk away or have been staying away or not investing emotionally. I see you being distant. Okay. One more card. What else is happening with Virgo? Some of you might be even like moving on to another place, shifting houses. With Page of Pentacles, many of you guys are very focused on investing. Okay, this might be in terms of business, maybe shares or something small, but you guys are starting something. Okay, in terms of your work life, yes, things were looking a bit difficult in the past month, but this month I see things moving forward, slow but steady. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Virgos? With the Fool card, I see many of you guys taking that risk forward towards something unknown in your life. Even if you feel like you are not in that place to start something new, I see many of you guys taking that risk to step forward, to move in a new direction, to possibly experience new things, new connections. You're open. Okay, that's how I see this. In terms of your connection or relationship, one card for that, please, Virgo. In terms of your relationship with the Judgment card, you have a decision to make. Either just stay friends with this person or walk completely away. Okay, but you have a decision to make. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? Your person seems stuck. Okay, I feel that this whosoever you're connected with is a overthinker. Okay, they always burden themselves by overthinking, by simply thinking negatively about the situation, by keeping themselves stuck to something that might honestly not be a reality. Okay, but I do feel that this person could have been uh, how do I put it, like kind of involved in some which way with another party. There was a third party interference. I won't say there was a strong third party um, behind your back, but somewhat interference that they were involved in. They were not completely single or not completely devoted to you, that's for sure. Okay, I see this person stuck and not being able to make a decision. Okay, one card for how do they think about you now, Virgo soulmate. With Ace of Pentacles, they do want to offer you something. They do want to honestly come forward. They do want to express themselves. Okay, like they want to take that step forward. They want to put in that effort with you. Okay, one card for in terms of their intentions. In terms of their intentions towards Virgo, please. But I believe the third party thing that's going on is kind of keeping them stuck. Otherwise, they do want to come forward. Okay. With Page of Wands, how do they think about you in terms of intentions? I believe Page of Wands is a card for communication. They are wanting to step up. They're wanting to message you. They're wanting to reach out. They're wanting to, extend themselves to you now. Okay. One card for what action they will take towards you. In terms of action, to be very honest, I feel that this person with Four of Cups, bottom card, Temperance card, top card, Hanged Man, this person might not completely accept your offer, that is of relationship commitment, but they'll want to be a part of you. But you'll have to be patient with them. In terms of action, they might resist a bit in terms of completely involving as a relationship or a commitment, but they'll want to be around you. But in terms of commitment, they'll still take more time, I believe. It might also take for some of you a couple of months. Okay, one more card. In terms of their energy towards you, in terms of this person's energy towards a Virgo, please. In terms of energy with Three of Cups, this person is coming off more like a friend. Okay, They're wanting to enjoy their time with you. They're wanting to spend time with you. They're wanting to meet you in person, greet you in person. Might be even go for a couple of drinks. Like enjoy their connection basically. Okay, I also see them coming forward sexually. Okay, passion is definitely involved. But when it comes to commitment, that part of the relationship might still take time moving forward. Okay, in terms of what's blocking them, spirit, what's really getting in the way. What's blocking them is they are not ready for it. Okay, they are still resisting the connection. They are still resisting the commitment part of it. They are not completely wanting to devote themselves to you, or just stay stuck on you, or build with you, or like give you any false hope. If they come back, they'll come off more like a friend. Okay, with passionate energy for sure, but emotionally I still see them holding back. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for you, how do they truly feel for you? In terms of feelings with the temperance card, I do feel that you both have mutual feelings for each other. Yes, sometimes they might go hot and cold towards you, but I can guarantee you that this person has feelings for you. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for you? What do they truly have for you? Yeah, I do feel right now things are not so good with the both of you in terms of the connection. You guys feel like you guys are not on the same page, or you guys have fallen apart, or drifted apart in some which way. This person does miss you with the five of cups at the bottom. Okay, in terms of their hate space, in terms of their hate space, how do they feel? In terms of their hate space, this person is not ready for a relationship. To be honest, this person might come forward as a friend, but I do not see them completely making the move in terms of a relationship. Okay, so what shifted, spirit? What really shifted in this connection, or what really changed in this connection? King of Cups, they have kind of their feelings that they have for you. You know, these try to stay away, they try to get away, they try to push you away, but those feelings, that keeps them still stuck on you. Like they cannot let go of you. Emotionally, they feel bound to you. Okay, so that is what keeps them holding on to you. Okay, so what are they ready to offer you for now? What is this person ready to offer Virgo for now? What can Virgo expect from this person? Yeah, with Page of Sword, I still see very much childish energy coming from their side. Not mature at all. Still trying to play games, not coming in fully. Coming in half, like sorry, like not coming forward in terms of building a relationship with you. Rather coming to have fun. Okay, one card for where this is going for now. With King of Swords, for certain, I feel that you guys will talk, you guys will communicate. However, I do not see a lot of emotional, things being said or expressed. You guys are going to have a virtual or a very phone call kind of thing. You guys will definitely communicate, but I don't see this person emotionally open to you. But yes, they are open in terms of friendship. Yes, they are open to meet you, but they might not be ready for a commitment, at least for next 1 month. Okay. So what else should you be knowing about this person? Past person involved hiding someone. Just like I told you, they have someone in the picture that keeps getting in the way. Okay. What else? Triggered, freaked out, mad at you, angry. So whenever you go away, whenever you ghost them, or whenever you do not give them attention, that triggers them, that freaks them out. Okay, and I believe some part of them, or some of your partners, not all of you, but some of your partners might be mad that you got away or you're getting away. Okay, one more card. What should you be knowing about where this is going forward? chaser. I want to make things right. So I believe in the coming weeks this person will chase you. They'll want to be in contact with you. They'll want to know more about you. So I do see this person chasing you in terms of getting back with you. I do not promise commitment, however, to be honest. Okay. And yeah, Ace of Cups. I do see this person eventually opening up, but that might take time, to be honest. Okay. So this was your reading for the sign of Virgo for the month of May. All that I need to know. If it resonates, kindly hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want a personal reading, do reach me out on my on my website, email, or WhatsApp, and we could look forward to it. Like, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Just stay safe.